Welcome to episode 10 of our series on artificial intelligence. In this episode, we'll be discussing a topic that has gained increasing attention in recent years: AI safety and the potential risks of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to advance and become integrated into various aspects of our lives, it's important to consider the safety implications and potential risks associated with its development and use. AI safety refers to the efforts to ensure that artificial intelligence is developed and used in a safe and responsible manner. This includes designing AI systems that are reliable, transparent, and robust, and preventing unintended consequences and harmful outcomes. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, there are a number of risks that need to be addressed. One of the major risks is the potential for accidents and errors, which could lead to unintended consequences. For example, a self-driving car may malfunction and cause an accident, or an AI-controlled medical device may malfunction and harm a patient. Another risk is the malicious use of AI systems, which could include cyberattacks or the use of AI in autonomous weapons. In addition to these risks, there are concerns about the impact of AI on society. One potential impact is job displacement, as AI has the potential to automate many jobs that are currently performed by humans. This could lead to high levels of unemployment and economic inequality. Privacy is another concern, as AI has the potential to collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data, leading to potential violations of privacy. Furthermore, there is a concern that AI could be used in weapons systems, which could lead to a new arms race and the potential for catastrophic consequences. It is important that AI is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner to ensure that the potential risks are mitigated and the benefits are maximized. In addition to the ethical considerations mentioned above, there are other issues that rise in the development and use of AI. For example, there is a need to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that is safe, secure, and reliable. This includes ensuring that AI systems are robust, resilient, and capable of handling unexpected situations. Another ethical consideration is the impact that AI may have on human decision-making. As AI becomes more advanced, there is a risk that it could be used to manipulate human decision-making or even replace it altogether. This could have significant implications for society, particularly in areas such as healthcare, finance, and law enforcement. There is also a need to address the issue of bias in AI. AI systems can be biased in various ways, such as in the data used to train them, or in the algorithms themselves. This can result in discriminatory outcomes, which could have a significant impact on certain groups of people. Overall, there is a need for careful consideration of the ethical implications of AI development and use. This includes ongoing monitoring and evaluation of AI systems, as well as the development of regulatory frameworks and standards to ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical manner. In addition to the organizations mentioned, there are several other efforts and initiatives currently underway to address the challenges and risks associated with AI safety. Governments and regulatory bodies are increasingly focusing on AI safety and have established various frameworks, guidelines, and principles for AI development and deployment. For example, the European Commission's AI strategy includes a proposal for a regulatory framework for AI that aims to ensure the safety and fundamental rights of individuals and organizations. Moreover, some of the world's leading AI research institutes and tech companies are investing in AI safety research to ensure that their AI systems are developed in a safe and responsible manner. For instance, OpenAI, a leading research organization in AI, has developed a research agenda focused on building safe AI systems that align with human values. Similarly, companies like Google, Microsoft, and IBM have established ethics boards and dedicated teams to ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI. There are also efforts to increase public awareness and understanding of AI safety issues. For example, conferences and workshops on AI safety are being organized around the world to bring together experts and stakeholders to discuss the latest research and best practices in AI safety. Additionally, there are various online resources available to educate the public about AI safety, including white papers, podcasts, and online courses. Future outlook and predictions on AI safety and its regulation. With the rapid advancement of AI, many experts predict that AI safety will become increasingly important in the coming years. As AI becomes more integrated into society, there will be a growing need for regulations and guidelines to ensure that AI is used in a safe and ethical manner. There are ongoing discussions about the need for international agreements and regulations to govern the development and deployment of AI. Some experts have called for the creation of an international regulatory body to oversee the development of AI and establish global standards. One challenge in regulating AI safety is that AI is a rapidly evolving technology, making it difficult to keep up with the latest developments and potential risks. However, as AI systems become more complex, it is likely that they will also become more transparent, making it easier to identify potential safety concerns. In addition to regulatory efforts, there is also a need for ongoing research into AI safety. This research can help identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. Some experts have called for more interdisciplinary collaboration between computer science, philosophy, law, and other fields to better understand the ethical and social implications of AI. Overall, the future of AI safety will likely involve ongoing efforts to establish regulations and guidelines for the development and use of AI, ongoing research into potential risks and safety concerns, and continued innovation in AI research and development. By working together, we can help ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is safe, ethical, and beneficial for society. That's it for episode 10 of our series on artificial intelligence. We hope you found this discussion informative and thought-provoking. Join us next time for another fascinating topic on the world of AI. In conclusion, this series on artificial intelligence has provided a comprehensive overview of the basics of AI, its impact on different industries, its ethical implications, its influence on the future of work, the different types of AI, the power and limitations of AI algorithms, its impact on society, the rise of deep learning and neural networks, and the role of AI in big data. Additionally, the series highlights the potential risks of AI and the importance of responsible development and regulation. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial that we consider its ethical implications and strive to ensure that it is developed and used in a safe and responsible manner. It is also important that we continue to educate ourselves and remain aware of the latest developments and initiatives in AI safety. Overall, this series has provided a comprehensive overview of the basics of artificial intelligence, its impact on various industries, ethical considerations, and the future of work with AI. It has also explored the different types of AI, the power and limitations of AI algorithms, and the impact of AI on society. Furthermore, it has covered the rise of deep learning and neural networks, the relationship between AI and big data, and the potential risks of AI and the importance of AI safety. As AI continues to evolve and become more integrated into our lives, it's important that we prioritize AI safety and establish regulations and guidelines to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. Overall, this series highlights the importance of responsible AI development and deployment and the ongoing conversation surrounding AI's impact on society.